Hey, what's up? My name is Armin Ahmadi.
And I'm Saber Azarabadi.
Welcome to the very exciting Turtle of Biochemistry Learning Lab.
Based on Leninger's book.
Today we want to explain the amino acids and their general structures.
So let's make it happen.
As you know, proteins are the most abundant biological macromolecules, and amino acids are their subunit. So, Saber, can you tell us what is the general structure of amino acids?
Sure. Each amino acid has an alpha carbon.
Wait, what do you mean by alpha carbon? Is it this one or that one?
I mean the central carbon, which is connected to carboxyl group and to amino group from the other side, the hydrogen and the R group. Armin, could you please show us the constant and variable parts of each amino acid?
By all means. This part is the constant part, and this part here, which is labeled R, is the variable part that forms the basis for classifying amino acids.
Great. As a matter of fact, there are about 500 amino acids known in the environment. But only 20 types are used in human genetic coding.
Only 20?
If you think that's few, just consider the number of English alphabet letters, which is only 26, but has formed millions of words.
Alright. Amino acids are classified based on their nutritional requirements, polarity or non-polarity, charged, and number of amino and carboxylic groups. Amino acids are divided into two categories based on their necessity: essential and
Non-essential.
essential amino acids are those that we obtain through food.
And non-essential amino acids are those that the body can synthesize on its own, so there is no need to consume them through food. Here, all the non-essential and essential amino acids are listed.
Oh my
As you-
gosh.
Armin, what happened to you? Are you okay?
I'm not okay.
Why? Why?
How am I supposed to memorize all of these amino acids?
Don't worry, I have a technique for that.
Really?
Yeah? Just keep this image in your mind.
What is that?
What is that?
Is it a tire?
It is not a simple tire. It's Tire Pro Max, a pro tire that releases CO gas, which is unhealthy, representing non-essential amino acids.
Oh, I get what you mean.
Yeah?
You mean that? Pro stands for proline.
Exactly.
Tyre refers to tyrosine.
Great.
C is for cysteine.
That's right.
O for ornithine. And blah 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 blah.
Exactly.
Wait. How about the essential amino acids?
Any other amino acid not found in this group is considered as an essential amino acid.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Here the names of amino acids and their abbreviations are shown. For example, for alanine, we use first three letters A, L, A, or even first letter A as an abbreviation.
Because we have already used A for alanine, we can't use it again for arginine. Whenever you pronounce arginine, it sounds like R, so we use R as an abbreviation form for arginine.
Good. In the case of phenylalanine,
Yeah?
let me zoom on it. Okay. In the case of phenylalanine, the P and H are pronounced F. So, this symbol is used as an abbreviation.
So Armin, how do we know if an amino acid is polar or non-polar?
Amino acids are generally polar, but we can comment on the polarity or non-polarity of their R groups. Those amino acids containing nitrogen and oxygen atoms are considered polar. Nitrogen and oxygen, hydroxyl group, hydroxyl. You know that hydroxyl group contains the oxygen.
Yeah, of course. But how about cysteine?
Good question. The cysteine is considered polar due to its electronegativity number and its free terminal sulfur.
Alright. Generally speaking, nonpolars consist only of long chains of carbon and hydrogen. As it's obvious here, they all contain carbon and hydrogen, carbon and hydrogen. In addition to methionine, it lacks... can I?
Sure.
Thanks. In addition to methionine, it lacks nitrogen and oxygen. Furthermore, its sulfur is not terminal or free, resulting in its classification as a nonpolar amino acid. Although there's a nitrogen in tryptophan, but the nonpolar part is so large and bulky that it overcomes the polar part. As a result, tryptophan is considered
Non-polar.
nonpolar.
In this slide, we want to examine amino acids in terms of their charge. To identify a positive charge, look for the amino group. This positive charge is due to an extra proton on the nitrogen atom. For a negative charge, identify the carboxyl group in the R group. This group can lose a proton to acquire a negative charge.
So it can be said that it's a piece of cake, because charge shows a charge. Now let's review the contents of our conversation. In nonpolars,
Only carbon and hydrogen are present. It's important to remember that tryptophan, despite containing nitrogen, is considered a nonpolar amino acid.
because the nonpolar part is much longer and the van der Waals force overcomes the hydrogen bond. Polars,
Contain oxygen and nitrogen,
also charged.
so their charge.
Now let's solve some questions for more practice.
First question. Which of these amino acids can be synthesized by the body? It means that non-essential amino acid. Nice.
So do you remember the code?
Sure, it is tyre. Tyre releases the CO gas. It's clear that G refers to glutamic acid, so option 4 is the answer. Now let's move on next question. Next question. Which of the following options accurately describes methionine and its structure?
Just before reading the rest of the question, let's draw the structure of methionine.
First of all, subscribe and like the video. Then draw the constant part.
Yeah, it's carbon connected to carboxyl group C double bond OOH attached to amino group NH2. In order to draw methionine, draw M, add sulfur here, finished. If you wanna draw all the structures as fast as the lightning, don't miss part 2. Now let's answer the question.
Okay. Option A, please. Option A. Methionine has a nonpolar R group. So far, this is correct. Consisting of a methyl group attached to a sulfur atom. It is completely right. Option B. Methionine has a polar R. Has a polar? Uh-oh. We can eliminate this option right here. We have now reached the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.
If you wanna be notified new uploads, you can activate the bell.
Ta-da!